In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or close your account on crypto.com. So when you're on the home page, just click on the menu icon up here and click on your profile right here. And then you're going to click on account. At the bottom here, click on account closure. They're just going to ask you if you're sure you want to delete your account. Then just go ahead and click on continue. Click on continue again. And then here you're just going to select for what reason you're trying to close your account. And then you're just going to confirm the closure of your account. Click on I confirm to close my account and click on confirm closure. Enter your passcode. And then they're going to send you a verification code to your mobile number. You're just going to enter it right here and continue to proceed in closing your account. So when you enter the verification code, just go ahead and click on continue. And there your account will be closed.